Hello dear students, welcome back to the maths class. In today's class we will cover the remaining questions of exercise 10.1. So open book page number 144. Question number 3. Read the question carefully. Question number 3 is find the perimeter of the following figures using a string. String means dhaga. String means dhaga or thread. Okay, so in this question we need to find the perimeter of these given figures. So for finding what we need a string like this. Okay, we need a string. By using the string we can measure the perimeter. Perimeter means what? The length of the boundary. So let us find perimeter. Concentrate. I am fixing pin so that I can fix my string, okay, properly. What we will do? We will use a thread around the shape. We will keep the thread around the shape. In this question, we will keep the thread on the boundary of the shape. Okay, this much I am getting. This much part of the string is the perimeter of the first figure. Okay, so after measuring, what you will do? You will use ruler and what you will do? You will keep ruler here. One end of the string you will put at 0, another end along the ruler. One end of the string you will put at the 0, another end you will put along the ruler, and mark the point where how much your string, to know how much your string is lengthy. Okay, so I removed the string. So the length of the string, as you can see here, is 1, 2, 3 and 4 centimeter. So question number 3, part A, a figure was given like this. So answer is perimeter is equals to 4 centimeter. Perimeter is equals to 4 centimeter. This is how you need to solve the remaining questions by yourself. Okay, I hope you understand well what to do, what you need to do. Okay, just use a thread or a string and keep it along the boundary of the shape. Okay, then after measure it on the ruler and write the perimeter. In this question you need to do this much only. So I hope you understand. I explained one, the remaining you will try, it is for your practice purpose. Now we will perform question number 4. now concentrate on the board. Okay. Open book page number 144. Question number 4. Read the question 4 carefully. Find the perimeter of following. Find the perimeter of the following. Right? It is the question number 4. Some shapes are given. In this question, some shapes are given. Question number 8. A rectangle is given in the book. A rectangle is given in which this side is 8 centimeter. The length of this side is 8 centimeter and length of this side is 20 centimeter. Right? Now, as you know that the properties of rectangle, it is a rectangle. What are the properties of rectangle? It has 4 sides and opposites are equal in rectangle, right? Opposites are equal in rectangle. So if this side is 8 centimeter, then opposite side of this will also be 8 centimeter, right? Means this side will be 8 centimeter. Okay, and if this side is 20 centimeter, the opposite side of it will be also 20 centimeter, right? This is the property of rectangle, we know. So as our task is to find what? Perimeter. So we will write perimeter. What is the formula for perimeter? Formula for perimeter is sum of all sides, right? Perimeter is equals to sum of all sides. It is the formula. Perimeter is equals to sum of all sides. Therefore, perimeter is equals to sum of all sides. First side is of how much length? 20 centimeter. So write 20 centimeter. Then second side is of 8 centimeter, then third side of 20 centimeter and fourth side of 8 centimeter. Okay, we have write all the sides, length of all the sides. What we need to find? We need to find the sum. So for finding sum, we will add all the sides. Okay, therefore perimeter. Perimeter means boundary. Total length of boundary, okay? Total length of boundary. Now add all these. 20 plus 8 is 28. 28 plus 20 is 28 plus 20 is 48 and 48 plus 8 is 56 centimeter. So the perimeter of the first figure is 56 centimeter. This is how we find the perimeter by using a simple formula. Perimeter is equals to sum of all sides. Note it down or take a screenshot so that later you can write in classwork copy properly. Now next question. B. In part B, a triangle shape is given. A triangular shape is given whose sides are of length this side is of 14 centimeter, right? This side is of 14 centimeter. This side is of 15 centimeter. And this side is of 18 centimeter. Be remember one thing, when you draw these figures, use scale use the formula. Learn the formula. Perimeter is equals to sum of all sides. And when we find sum of all the length of the sides, we get perimeter. Next figure given is like this. Okay, this side is of length 8 centimeter, this side is of length 1 centimeter, this side is of length 6 centimeter, this side is of length 6 centimeter, this side is of 2 centimeter, and this side is of 7 centimeter. Okay, these are the lengths of given side, given figure. Now let us find the perimeter. First of all, write the formula. Perimeter is equals to sum of all sides. What is the formula? Formula is sum of all sides. Now in next step, first side is of 2 centimeter, so write 2 centimeter plus add all the lengths. Okay, so 6 centimeter plus 6 centimeter, then next side is of 1 centimeter plus 8 centimeter, and one side is left, so write plus 7 centimeter. I have no space further, so I am writing it in the next line. Perimeter is equals to, now add all the numbers, arrange them column wise or add them as you want. 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 6 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15, 15 plus 8 23, 23 plus 7 is 23 plus 7 is how much? What is the total you get? 30, 30. So the perimeter of this figure, perimeter means the length of boundary. The length of boundary of this figure is 30 centimeter. Perimeter means length of boundary. It is very easy to find the perimeter of any given shape. Now next figure, that is D. Take the screenshot of question number C. You can pause the video here, okay, to note down. In this figure, the length of this side is 8 centimeter, the length of this side is 8 centimeter, length of this side is 8 centimeter, and length of this side is 8 centimeter. This side is of 1 centimeter, this side is of 1 centimeter. This side is of 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. This side is of 1 centimeter, this side is also of 1 centimeter. The length of this side is 1 centimeter, the length of this side is 1 centimeter. Okay, it is the given figure. I hope you have taken the screenshot of this, so I am removing. Okay, now The perimeter of figure D is 40 centimeter. The perimeter of figure D is 40 centimeter. Now figure E. The length of this side given is 43 meter and the length of this side is 24 meter. Okay, it is the given figure. Which shape it is? It is a rectangular shape, right? So, as we know the properties of rectangle, what is the property of rectangle? The property of rectangle is the opposites of a rectangle are equal. Opposites are equal in rectangle. So, if this side is 43 meter, the opposite of this side will also be 43 meter, right? If this side is 24 meter, the opposite of it will be 24 meter, right? Now, as we know length of all four sides, so let us find now perimeter. Perimeter is equals to sum of all sides. Perimeter is equals to sum of all sides. Now perimeter is equals to first side is of 24 meter plus next side is of 43 meter plus next side is of 24 meter plus the fourth side is of 43 meter. Now add all these numbers to get the perimeter. In rough work, arrange all four numbers and find out the result. I am giving you few minutes. In rough work, arrange all these four numbers and find out the answer. So when we add all these, we get 134 meter as our final result. So perimeter is equals to 134 meter. Note it down fast or take this screenshot so that later you can write in your classwork copy. Okay, now part F. Part F, again a rectangle shape is given. Make a rectangle. This side is of 47 meter and this side length is 62 meter. 62 meter. As it is rectangle and we know that opposites of a rectangle are equal. So if this side is 47 meter, the opposite will also be of 47 meter. Okay. If this side is 62 meter, the opposite of it will also be 62 meter. Now our task is to find the perimeter. So we will write the formula of perimeter. And what is the formula? Formula is perimeter is equals to sum of all sides. In next step, perimeter equals to, we will write the 2 is, sorry, 11 plus 7 is 18, so 8 here, 1 carry forward. Now add all the digits in tens column. 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 6 is 17, and 17 plus 4 is 21. So when we add all the sides, we get 218 meter as our perimeter. So perimeter is 218 meter. Okay, question number 4 is complete here. In this lecture we have done 2 questions, question number 3 and question number 4. Question number 3, I have shown you how to, in question number 3 I have shown you how to measure the perimeter with the help of a string, right? I have shown only one for example, but the remaining questions you need to solve by yourself. Okay, question number 4 I have done for you all the questions. The remaining questions of the exercise we will cover in our next lecture. Till then, complete your homework. Bye bye.